Another very useful etude to learn. The whole thing is in forte and the entire thing is in allegretto, as you can see in the music. This is a D major and you're trying to play big bow, the whole bow. Really try to use as much as you can, 4 notes per bow. And in this kind of a rhythmical choreography, you're trying to carry on throughout the whole piece. It's not hard and it's somewhat predictable to what the music is going to do. At least to me. But as you're learning this, try to connect the notes and make sure the down bows are equal in sound intensity with the up bows. Make sure that things are basically as equal as you can deliver, and keep things very rhythmical, and also pay attention to the intonation as well. It's a nice little etude to learn. I think it will be worth your while. Thank you again to all my YouTube members and all my Patreon members for their support and making this possible. I really, really appreciate everything that you have done for me so far. Thank you.